we're gonna now put back these fasteners so that all these shingles are secured, and go ahead and get this taken care of. I'm also gonna be using the pitch gauge and degree factor to ensure that I don't lift the shingle too high, causing further damage. So right there, we're at a 25-degree angle. And as you can see, I'm not gonna be able to, without hitting the shingle, causing damage, be able to drive the nail in straight. So I'm gonna have to go just a little bit higher to about right there. And we already have delamination on the above applique. Some more delamination here. Here as well. We did 6 nails, which is how it was previously installed. Here is the nailing zone, so I've got to be able to get the shingle up high enough to nail in the correct place and straight. Okay, so the repair is complete. As you saw, just about every one of these appliques is now delaminated. That one's good, but every other one, not so much. And I'm gonna try to get out of the shadow here, but you can see right here, there is creasing. It's tough to tell in the picture, but you see the granule loss. A little bit of wind is going to crease this, fold it back, along with these applications here. So this roof, due to the age and the brittleness, is no longer repairable.